Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to explore how to customize the web view in the Maxthon browser on mobile devices. If you want to make your browsing experience smoother and more personalized, first, open the Maxthon browser on your mobile device. Next, look at the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots menu. Then, from the menu that appears, tap on Settings. After that, find the Web View section in the Settings menu. Here, you will see several customization options. You can choose to turn on or off Open Last Page, which allows the browser to remember and reopen the last web page you visited. Next, you can enable or disable Show Browser animations to make page transitions smoother or faster depending on your preference. Then, there is the Auto Fullscreen option, which automatically hides the address bar when you scroll down for a more immersive browsing experience. You will also see quickly Open Copied URL, a feature that opens any URL you have just copied without needing to paste it manually. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.